Hello everyone, Blanca here and welcome to my channel. For those of you that are first time here, I just wanted to say that I'm a personal trainer for over 14 years and I'm not any dermatologist or specialist in skincare procedures. I just wanted to share my journey through skincare and different devices that I'm using, and since I was neglecting myself for many years and decided it's time for me. So today I'm gonna be sharing a quick video on threads. I'm gonna be doing threads for lifting the eye area, since my eyelids becoming a little saggy and the eyebrows too. So this is what I'm gonna be doing today to lift and to tighten the area. So first I'm gonna clean the area numb with my cream, numbing cream that I got it from Korea. It's the Cane for like 20 minutes, and I'll see you after. Alright, so I numb it for like 20 minutes. I'm gonna remove this, wipe it down one side and leave the other side so the numbing won't go away before I get to that side. Everything needs good cleaning, disinfecting. I am gonna be using mono threads, not PDO, but PLLA, which is the 31 gauge and teeny tiny 12 millimeters, which is 1 centimeter and 2 millimeters from that company. That's how it look like. Getting it from the filler house. They are seriously really teeny tiny. It's not gonna be super lift and like immediate, not gonna be immediate results too, but within a time it's gonna give some, you know, tightening and collagen production. So that's how it comes in 10 pack. As you see, they're really teeny tiny. Alright, let's do this. So like always, have to be careful when you're opening up. Not too hard, not too fast. You don't want to stab yourself by accident. So they are really teeny tiny. The bevel up. This is always hard to see without the glasses because I need it soon. Okay, so it's gonna be, I have to use a mirror this big. one side is done. Now let's remove it. I'm twisting a little bit before I take it out, just to make sure they stay inside. Oh, this one had the vein. So as long as you put the pressure on it, then later you can ice it too, you should be fine. Alright, one side is done. So let's move on to the next one. Now wipe this numbing cream. And then use alcohol and make sure everything is out and clean. I decided to do this thread lift today because I wanted something with no downtime, because tomorrow I have to go to the office and I don't want to look weird after any other different procedures, because I'm due for micro needling. So that's why I just decided to do something that I can just do it and go outside. Yeah, I don't know if it show a little left, maybe a little bit. A little bit left here, but yeah, my eyebrows are always arching, so it's hard to tell. Okay, let's move on. I like these threads because they are, I think, good quality. They are white, you can't see them. If they're white, this means they are very good quality, because like if they are blue and not so great, they're still good, but the white ones I think are the best. Oh, I messed up one. See, I took it out too fast and I messed it up. I can open other package. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's take it out. Yeah, not that much bleeding. Looks good. Looks like there's not gonna be any bruising too. Oops, one. Alright, so quick mini lift with no downtime. I think it looks okay. I'm gonna link below the threads that I was using, so you can check for yourself. is from Korea. They're very good. I used the other ones, the PDO Mono before, PDO Mono, and I like it too from them. So check it out. Make sure you subscribe if you didn't yet, and like the video. I really appreciate, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.